Hello from Yummy Delicious World Foods channel. Today we will prepare a tasty snack perfect for dining tables, namely cauliflower fry, that you will enjoy eating. We would greatly appreciate it if you support us by liking the video, subscribing, and not forgetting to turn on the notification bell. Let's get started then. Ingredients: 3 small cauliflowers, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, a tea glass of vegetable oil. First, let's break the cauliflowers into pieces and, after washing them, let's drain. Next, let's put the cauliflowers in the pot we will cook them in and add our water. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt over them. Heat our pot in a controlled manner until the cauliflowers are cooked. After the water boils, cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. To check if they are cooked, our fork should easily go through the cauliflowers. Now, let's drain the water from our cauliflowers and wait until they are lukewarm. Then, put our 3 tablespoons of flour onto a separate plate. Crack our 2 eggs into another bowl, stir and whisk. First, dip our cauliflowers in the egg, then in the flour. Put our vegetable oil in and start frying the cauliflowers in a preheated pan. Continue frying the cauliflowers in the pan, turning them over. When the cauliflowers get a golden brown color, our frying process is done. You can serve with garlic or plain yogurt as you wish. Enjoy your meal. Stay tuned for many more videos. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video to support our channel, subscribe, and activate the notification button. Looking forward to seeing you on beautiful and healthy days.